Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm working on another coloring page. Frolicking in Nature, Light as a Feather is the title. I'm going to touch on that theme in a moment. For now, I'm starting this page coloring the background or the sky in a violet color. This can be the colors of a sunset or a sunrise. Moving a little forward, I went ahead and colored in two of the females balancing on the tree branches, the tree trunk, and a little bit of the leaves. But the focus of this video is mainly going to be on the leaves, coloring the clusters of leaves. I'm using a pale green pencil as the main color to fill in the majority of the spaces. It's a similar palette, well actually it's the same palette that I've used on other coloring pages. After I fill this space, I'm able to add my accents with other colors to build up the shape of the tree leaves. Now getting back to this depiction of a playful scene, the tree is based on an actual tree that I saw in nature and I drew, but the ladies are representations of being light as a feather, as in not being weighed down by as in your mood or your mindset or the way you walk around in life. One of the images, she's sitting on a tree limb talking with or communicating with a squirrel, while the other lady is flowing with the breeze, like leaves when they sway in the wind, or the tree itself when it sways. So as I mentioned earlier, I'm adding to the base color to add emphasis to the shapes. These are like shadows underneath the leaves, but I'm following along the black lines that are already drawn. Once again, just building up the shapes, building up the shapes. The yellow is to add more light and blend the colors together. The same process, just repeating over and over again until you're satisfied with what you've done. This is taking a less is more approach. I don't want to overwork the page, so but I want to maintain continuity. So I'm being consistent with how I'm coloring the lines, adding touches here and there. I've completed the page. Frolicking in nature, light as a feather. It was relatively simple. I stayed with the same patterns. And this is the outcome. Thanks for watching. See you next time.